Miss Anaconda can be very frightening, far too strong and way too long as well. Once her coils around her prey are tightening. A northern bear came from his lair, a northern bear. A northern bear came from his lair, 'cause there was no more food up there. He stopped outside and made a din. He knocked and gently asked who's in, and do you have some chocolates you could share? Abracadabra, abracadabra, chameleon, that's me. I change around my colors and hide up in a tree. Abracadabra, chameleon. Dolphin, dolphin, come my little dolphin, leap across the waves and play with me. Water, music, laughing will be Manago mania umbaba, manago mania umbaba. Hey kids, look, the elephants are here, a flapping their ears, rat-a-tum-ta-ta-ta, a stomping, a romping, ta-rumba-zamba. Riddy-riddy-ringo, there stands a flamingo on one leg in the reeds, pink from top to toe. Riddy-riddy-ringo, there stands a flamingo, penny for your... Do you know the legendary Xenegugeli, the beast with dragon stripes that burbles through the wood? It rumbles, tumbles, bubbles, squeaks, it waddles and it slurps. It giggles, chirps, puffs its cheeks, breathes fire and it burps. It rumbles, tumbles, bubbles, squeaks, it waddles and it slurps. It giggles, chirps,